Good morning. So I had all intentions of filming a Sunday vlog showing church and everything now that I've kind of consistently been going back to that. However, I've also been battling some back pain like the last probably 3 weeks at this point. And things were getting better. Thought we were on the right track, but last night I woke up around 3 hurting really bad again. That's why I ended up moving to the couch and you saw me waking up here. I couldn't take the pain and I ended up having to get up and move. And I think it helped to lay on the couch because I wasn't able to move my body around a lot. And I think a lot of it stems from the positions I end up laying in when I'm sleeping inadvertently. So needless to say, I didn't get a lot of sleep. I'm extremely tired, but and as much as my back hurts, I have to get the yard mowed today. It is horrible. I feel bad for the dog being out there. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is skipping church this morning. I'm going to go take him for his walk, come back, chill for just a little bit, have some coffee and breakfast, and then probably try to get outside and mow as soon as I possibly can. Because we're also under a heat advisory, which I don't do well in the heat as it is. But also with my back, I got to figure out how to get this done. I'm just going to push through, get it done. Then I can shower and just relax on the couch for the rest of the day. I really didn't have much else planned anyway, other than, as you saw, I stripped the bed so I could wash the bed sheets. So, let's go take the dog for a walk. Okay, so I've eaten. We're gonna do a couple prep-like items for later today. Let me turn this down. Excuse me. So first off, I need to finish my cold coffee, which is done brewing. Okay, so we're gonna cut these up in a few minutes and make some peaches and cream for dessert later. And then last night I kind of preset a lot of this stuff for part of my dinner. So it's a crock-pot barbecue chicken. I made this, I think 2 weeks ago. It was so good. So I decided to make it again, but I'm gonna actually put it on salad instead of on a bun. So I already cut all my seasonings out and mixed that together last night, and then I preset my measuring spoons for this and the barbecue sauce, and then I got chicken breasts in the freezer or fridge. So just put it in the crock pot and we're gonna let it go all day and then shred it up later, but that way dinner is ready tonight except for the veggies.
In the morning, open the shades, letting all of the light in. The sun is shining, I can smell the coffee you made me. The songs that you've been singing tell me how much you love me. You love me. I don't wanna go to work when when you're wearing my shirt. Need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean view. I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up on an island for two. Just you and me. Need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean view. I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
So I've done some. I'm just so afraid of hurting my back anymore. I'm gonna have to take lots of breaks too, because it's like 80% humidity, so it's really hot. Use this cooling cloth to help keep me cooler. And I'm only gonna finish mowing the center part of this backyard, the sides of the driveway, and in the front yard. I'm not touching anything else today. I just wanted the areas the dog spends his time in to be mowed so he can lay out there without being, you know, in the bugs and stuff. My back is hot. Like the icy hot I put on this morning at 3 is like heating up for me moving. But I'm gonna go get some liquid IV just so I can keep myself hydrated.
Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it
It's mowed and then blew the driveway off because there was like a lot of grass. Like I said, the grass was like up to my ankles, and I felt really bad for the dog being in it. So I think I'm gonna go take a shower. It's 10:30. At least it's done before the brutal heat, even though we're under a heat advisory. My back is just on fire. I need to wash this icy hot off and see where I'm at pain-wise. So I'll check in with you guys after I get a shower. All right, so I've showered. I'm exhausted. I just ordered some lunch. I'm just gonna have Bojangles, and I'm just gonna chill out on the couch, but I'm gonna watch church now.
And as we were singing that song, I know that some of you are walking through some things right now, and the enemy wants you to start to think that somehow this is the end. This is going to be your identity. This problem, this situation, this sickness, this death, this end to something. But God wants you to know that you have come into a house of miracles today. And what God wants to do in your life is He wants to continue that story with a story of miraculous resurrection in your family, in your finances. God is still bringing dead things back to life.
I have pretty much spent the majority of the day just sitting on the couch watching YouTube videos. I'm just super tired. And I kind of have like one of those, sleep deprivation headaches going on. I'm so thankful I got so much done this morning though, because that makes this afternoon being chill a whole lot easier. The only other thing I think I did when I wasn't recording was wash the couch blankets and put those back on, but that was about it. I will show you dinner, like what the chicken ended up coming out like in the salad when I get to that point. Oh, and I wanted to mention, I'm sure you guys have noticed at this point, I did cut my hair off about a week ago, like up to my shoulder. Honestly, I'm happy I did it because of that breakage situation. We're almost to a single length at this point. My hair is nice and full feeling again. It's not thin on the bottom. Plus, honestly, this hair is like perfect for me for summer because of the curly wavy stuff going on. So I can like sleep on it, and in the morning I just mist it with a spray bottle, and then my hair curls back up and looks good. So it's kind of convenient. It's like a no hassle hairstyle for me. Yeah, so I did do that. So it's nice and short. So I think I got everything. I think I'm gonna take the chicken out of here and put it in this so I can shred it up some more. And then that way too, it can cool a little bit before it goes on the salad. Oh, okay, and then obviously the base will be remain. I have a tomato to chop up. Can we're gonna drain and use corn. Cheddar cheese, croutons, and then I'll probably top it with some ranch dressing. So I'm gonna go watch my movie and eat my salad. I am going to eat the rest of this peaches and cream serving, and I'm gonna wrap this up here because I'm getting really sleepy. I'm gonna finish watching my movie and probably head to bed. But I do hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.